Hi, I'm new here. Just wanted to hang out, you know. Where is everyone? I'm alone. Where are they? Why does the whole world feel so lonely? What is that crap in the sky? Why is there a massive pitch black crowd up there? Did anyone else have to evacuate or something? Oh crap, what is that thing? It's so big! I almost crapped my flipping pants. What is that? Why is it so black? I can't see anything. It's so loud. Hearing flesh splatter on my roof. Where is everybody? Are these bots, or is someone actually theirs? Still. Are you being serious? What do you mean by flesh? What flesh? What is happening? It's raining blood, guys. How the heck did a brain end up in my garden? Why is there blood all over my house? And what is that thing? It looks like noodles. It smells like blood. What happened to all those people? They're in the sky. My house is literally flooding with blood. I hear flesh exploding. It's so dark and getting closer. All the entrances, they're completely sealed off. Bones and organs everywhere.